Did you know there are more bacteria in your mouth right now than people on Earth? Today we explore prokaryotes, the tiny, invisible kings of life. A prokaryote is a cell with no true nucleus. Its DNA floats freely inside. Eukaryotes, like our body cells, keep DNA locked inside a nucleus. Look at a bacterium's structure. It has a tough cell wall, a membrane, ribosomes for protein, circular DNA, and a tail-like flagellum for swimming. Bacteria come in three main shapes. Cocci are round like beads, bacilli are rod-shaped like cassava sticks, and spirilla twist like a corkscrew. Bacteria reproduce by binary fission. The DNA copies itself, the cell stretches, then splits in two. This can happen every 20 minutes. Worked example. Starting with one bacterium, after 3 divisions we get n equals 1 times 2 to the power 3, giving us 8 bacteria. Harder example. If one bacterium divides every 20 minutes, how many after 2 hours? That's 6 divisions, so 2 to the power 6 equals 64 bacteria. Bacteria are not all bad. They make yogurt, fix nitrogen in bean roots, and help digestion. But some cause diseases like tuberculosis and cholera. Many students confuse bacteria with viruses. Remember, bacteria are living cells that can reproduce alone. Viruses are not cells and need a host to multiply. Memory aid. No nucleus equals prokaryote. For shapes, remember CBS like a TV channel. Cocci round, bacilli rod, spirilla spiral. You will never forget. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.